Neil deGrasse Tyson, a leading figure in modern astrophysics and a master at making complex scientific concepts accessible, recently made a startling statement that captured the public's imagination. The Milky Way will disappear soon. This remark came during one of his popular talks, designed to engage and educate the audience on the vast and dynamic universe. What does Titan mean by disappear? And how soon is soon in astronomical terms? In exploring this, Tyson brings to light the fascinating and somewhat alarming reality of our galaxy's future. According to the latest research, our Milky Way is on a collision course with its nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. This monumental event, predicted by using data from the Hubble Space Telescope, is expected to occur in about 4 billion years. While the term disappear may evoke images of the Milky Way being suddenly wiped out of existence, the reality is more about transformation than disappearance. The collision with Andromeda, a process astronomers call a galactic merger, will dramatically change the structure and appearance of both galaxies. Over billions of years, these two spiral galaxies will dance around each other, pulling at each other with their gravitational forces, eventually merging into a single, larger elliptical galaxy. This new cosmic entity, sometimes humorously referred to as Milkdromeda or Milkdromeda, will have a completely different appearance from the spiral shape we recognize as the Milky Way today. Despite the dramatic nature of such an event, it's crucial to understand that this process is incredibly slow by human standards and poses no threat to the existence of Earth or humanity. The vast distances between stars in each galaxy mean that collisions between stars during the merger are highly unlikely. Instead, the night sky is viewed from Earth or any other planet that still exists in that distant future will undergo a gradual, majestic transformation, offering a cosmic spectacle over millions of years. Neil deGrasse Tyson's use of the word disappear serves as a powerful tool to draw attention to these mind-bending cosmic events. By framing astronomical events in a manner that shocks and awes, Tyson not only captures the imagination, but also emphasizes the ever-changing nature of the universe, a fundamental concept that continues to drive the curiosity and efforts of astronomers and astrophysicists around the world. The idea that the Milky Way might disappear can be both bewildering and fascinating, yet this notion is rooted in some very real astronomical events forecasted by scientists. When Neil deGrasse Tyson discusses the disappearance of the Milky Way, he's referring to a monumental cosmic event slated to occur billions of years from now. The collision between our galaxy, the Milky Way, and its nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda are part of a group of galaxies known as the local group, which is bound together by gravity. Through the observations of the Hubble Space Telescope and calculations based on the current velocities of these galaxies, astronomers have predicted that in about 45 years the Milky Way and Andromeda will inevitably collide and merge. This process is a natural part of galactic evolution and happens throughout the universe. During this galactic merger, the two galaxies, as we currently see them, will no longer exist. They will slowly combine to form a new larger galaxy, often referred to as Milkdromeda or the Milkdromeda in popular science discussions. From our perspective, this would mean that the familiar band of the Milky Way's night sky would dramatically change. The collision itself is a slow downs of gravity unfolding over millions of years, resulting in a complete transformation of the night sky as seen from any planets that still exist. Interestingly, despite the scale of this event, it is unlikely to involve collisions between stars from each galaxy due to the vast distances between them. However, the gravitational forces will fling stars and solar systems into new orbits, potentially ejecting some from the newly formed galaxy altogether, while others might settle into new paths around the combined galactic core. In addition to the Milky Way and Andromeda, the expansion of the universe contributes to the disappearance of other galaxies from our view. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, and it continues to do so at an accelerating rate due to a mysterious force known as dark energy. This expansion is causing distant galaxies to receive from us faster than the speed of light, making them impossible to observe. With current technologies, they cross what is known as the cosmological horizon. This means that over time, more and more of the universe will fall beyond our observable reach, effectively disappearing from view. This scientific narrative offers a stark reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. While the thought of our galaxy colliding with another might seem alarming, it's a testament to the beauty of the cosmic ballet, in which gravity choreographs the movements of galaxies across the vastness of space. Such events highlights the ongoing narrative of cosmic evolution, one in which galaxies are not static features, but are constantly changing, merging and reforming. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, the Milky Way isn't just disappearing, it's on a collision course with destiny. Imagine two cosmic titans, the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy, spiraling towards a colossal clash. This isn't science fiction, it's a future written in the stars, predicted by astronomers with advanced simulations. These two galaxies will dance closer, driven by the relentless pull of gravity, until they eventually merge. What does this mean for our galaxy? It's not going to vanish in the puff of smoke, but will transform dramatically. As Andromeda, which is about the same size as the Milky Way, merges with our galaxy, the collision will light up the night sky with new star formations. These events are far from destructive. Instead, they're part of the natural life cycle of galaxies. The merging process will lead to a rebirth, forming a new elliptical galaxy, often referred to as Milkdromeda. This cosmic event is a breathtaking reminder of the dynamic universe we inhabit. Even the seeming permanence of the stars in the night is an illusion, as the universe is constantly evolving. While the idea of our galaxy disappearing might sound alarming, this transformation is an awe-inspiring testament to the forces of nature at a cosmic scale. Thus, while the Milky Way as we know it will indeed change, its journey is far from over. It's a transition into a new celestial entity, showcasing the beauty of astronomical evolution.